that's the video, and now I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So here's what you're gonna need for this trick: 3 random cards, any 5 you want, any 4 of a kind. I use the 4 in this case because they are just random. And here's how you're gonna stack the piles. So first of all, take the 5 in your hand, face up, just like so. Then you take the 3 random cards over here, put that on top, face up. Then any 3 4s, put that on top, face up. And then at last, just take this and put this stack on top of the deck. And then the last 4 is gonna go somewhere in the middle of the deck. Okay, now at this point, you can actually shuffle the deck if you want. You can do a riffle shuffle, just maintain the top stack on top. But I usually do a false cut. So I did this really cool false cut. It's called falseness, and it looks something like that. Okay, now once you have done this false cut or any shuffle you want, and you have maintained the cards on top of the deck, you're gonna start with the trick. So you're gonna go ahead and take out a secret card. So this is the exposed view here, so I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do. So you just go ahead and just find for the 4 that you just left in the middle of the deck. So that is the 4 of hearts right there. And I don't want you to just go ahead and take out the 4 of hearts just like that. I just want you to go back and forth around these cards and just take out the 4 randomly, okay? So just go back and forth, just look at some cards, then just choose the 4 at last. And then you just take it, flip it over, don't reveal it, and just put that down right there. Alright, so now at this point you're gonna flip the deck over and you're gonna ask the spectator to divide this deck into 3 equal parts, okay? So of course it's not gonna be exactly equal, but just tell the spectator to try as hard as they can to divide the cards. Okay, and just make sure that the top stack is not disturbed in any way, because if this stack is disturbed, the whole trick just messes up. So now once you are here, take out the cards that they landed in, okay? So they can be any cards. So in this case, the 3 of hearts, the queen of clubs, but the 5 is going to be the 5 because that's the top card of the deck. So you have a 5. Now at this point you're gonna explain the spectator that you're gonna deal the number of cards that they have chosen. In this case 3 of hearts, and you just deal 3 cards and then keep 1 card on each of the pile, and just do this for all the cards. So 1 2 3 on top of each pile, then queen. So now you can explain the spectators that all the court cards are actually 10, okay? Then you just take the queen and just deal them 10 cards. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then you just keep a card on each pile, then you have a 5, and that is where the twist happens. So I'm gonna show you the cards that I'm gonna deal so that you understand this trick a little bit better. So you keep a random card, you keep a random card, you keep a random card, you keep another random card, and another random card. And then once you have the 5 cards over here, you take this card, which is a 4, put that right there. You take another 4 and put that right there, and the rest of the cards are gonna go on top, right? So now you have 3 4s on top of the deck. So it's a really genius trick, and it's a really awesome trick to do. Then of course you can reveal the selection that you selected, and that's the trick right there. So guys, that's it, that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and if you did, then please show the love by dropping a like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And also, if you know the name of this trick, then please put that down in the comments below. I would really like to know what's the name of this trick. Till then, goodbye, take care.